I'm not trying to scam anybody here.
Well, hey there, friends. Long time no see. Welcome back to Dudecraft. So, we got some good news. We have managed to acquire a new camera. This isn't it, this is just my webcam. But we finally got a new camera. It'll be coming Friday of this week. So after that, we can get back to making some videos for you. But it's been a while since I've seen all your smiling faces. And I thought I would put up a little something while we wait for the new camera. So I used to have this other channel while I was trying to figure out this whole new wave technology thingamadingy. And I made a video of me making Acerglyn, which is a maple mead. Now, I just put it up there because I was testing it, seeing whatever. It never really got any traction or views. But I thought, you know, it's Dudecraft, and what's more doodly than making your own adult beverage? So we're going to take that video, I'm re-editing it, cut it down, make it a little bit more watchable, and we're going to put it up on the channel right now. And while we wait to get some projects going, I hope you'll enjoy it. So anyhow, it's great to see you. I missed you guys. And, well, let's get to it. Alright, we're starting with 2 pounds and 2 ounces of maple mead, 100% honey, some yeast, and some yeast nutrients, some vanilla beans. We're going to start with the hot water bath, get everything nice and runny. Look at that hot steam. Nice. Alright, we got the water in there. We're going to get it boiling. Now while it's boiling, we're going to cut up some vanilla beans. Alright, it's getting there, it's getting there. Alright, dump in the vanilla beans, dump in the honey, dump in the maple syrup. I'm going to boil it for 30 minutes, get all the impurities out. Like Tom Petty said, the waiting is the hardest part. Watch pot never boils. Alright, now that that's done, we got to bring it down to 70 degrees so we can add the yeast. Because otherwise it's going to kill it. And we don't want that because the yeast is what makes the adult-timey good feeling. Alright, that's good. So now what we're going to do, we're going to test the alcohol content in it. Put it in there, add the yeast nutrient, add the yeast. We're going to put the bubbler on it. As you can see, it's making bubbles. So what's happening is, right now the yeast is in there, it's eating the sugars, and it's pooping out alcohol. And it's making bubbles. Alright, so after that, we're going to let it ferment for a week, then we're going to transfer it to a new container so that all the yeast sediment isn't in it. This didn't work out exactly as planned, but like we always say in Dudecraft, we just roll with it. Alright, so we bottle it up, we're going to put a new bubbler on it. After a week, we're going to transfer it to a 1 gallon glass carboy. And we're going to let it sit back, relax, and age a year to get the best taste. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, this little filler episode. And Dudecraft will be back on track in no time. I look forward to making more content for you guys. Enjoy and take care. I'll catch you next trip.
Yeah, well, the dude abides.